Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Just wanted to take a quick minute to address a question from a customer. Customer's trying to replace the fittings on their Rhino Extreme hose. The newer fittings on the Rhino Extreme and Rhino Flex hoses are glued onto the hose. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to cut the hose just this side of the fitting. All you're going to need for that is something to cut the hose with, something to cut the wire with, some petroleum jelly, and the appropriate fitting to replace it with. With that said, let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to cut the hose. Just going to go around and cut until you come right on the other side of your initial cut. So we got that right here. I'm going to cut the wire. You can do this with a pair of pliers, anything with snips on it. After you've got your hose cut and you're sure that it's clean, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the locking ring from the fitting onto the hose. You're going to put that on with the teeth facing toward the end to be replaced. You're just going to wind it in the unlock direction a few turns till you've got some room to work with. After you've got your locking ring wound far enough down on the hose so that you'll be able to fully seat the fitting itself, before you put the fitting on, you're going to need to apply a generous amount of petroleum jelly around the grooves of the exterior of the hose, close to the end of the hose. The petroleum jelly is going to act as a seal to keep the hose from leaking. So now we're going to apply a generous amount of petroleum jelly to the groove near the end of the hose. Now we're going to go ahead and install the fitting. Once you've got the fitting on there, you're going to bring the locking ring back up to meet it. Tighten it up as much as you can. And that's all there is to installing a Rhino fitting with locking ring onto your sewer hose. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.
Camco.net.